No. But you can use this flotation device. What they say, be floating. They can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. Now I have to contemplate. I have to consider. I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device for the seeds. Just good.
What are you doing? No. No, I don't want to kiss.